Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aqua gang, for Aquarius, and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Aquarius, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading and then we'll start, okay? So my angels, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. This one. All right. Let's put the rest back, Aquarius. And the card I have here for you, Aquarius, is generosity. Okay, so yeah, the first thought you'd probably be thinking, oh, I have to be more generous and I have to give more. No, Aquarius, according to the book, it's time not only to be generous with others, I think it's also time to give to yourself. Your first priority has to be you. It's like when you go into if you fly, when you're on a plane, they say the oxygen mask must first be put on you before you can help others or children or your co-passengers. So it's time to be generous with yourself. So let's see why this card has come for you today, Aquarius. Let's open your cards and figure this out. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind, for all your beautiful comments, the support you're sending to the channel. I'm very, very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, of course, if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And yes, Aquarius, I am thinking of doing a Valentine's special this Sunday. Normally, I don't do readings on Sunday, so make sure your notification bells are on if you want to join us there. We will be kind of digging into your partner's feelings to see what's really going on there, how they feel about you, whether you're together or apart, right? So just to see what's really in their heart space about you. So yes, newbies, if you are subscribing, make sure your notification is on as well. So this is going to be just a small 9-card spread, Aquarius, to check on your energy now, and we'll also be doing some dialogue message cards. If any of you need a private reading, you can always reach me. My email is in the description box below. The Tower. All right. So why is the Tower falling here, Aquarius? Let's see. 2 of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Magician, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, the Hermit, 8 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Wands. So yes, there was a bit of juggling going on, I think, by somebody who was all about themselves. They were trying to be the magician and, kind of not being very authentic here, which led to the loss of love here. Now somebody wants a brand new beginning. This is the center of my spread here. They want a brand new beginning. They know they've made some very foolish, unwise decisions here by not giving wholeheartedly to their connection. Maybe they were trying to create illusions or it's all about me and I'm the magician and I'm the King of Wands, and more about them than anything else, and that's kind of led to a loss of love here. Maybe somebody has walked away now and it's disrupted a very good connection here, which should have gone the long haul here. Somebody's made some kind of a decision to not hang around and be juggled or be at crossroads forever. So let's see why this is happening. Let's take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Aquarius and their person spirit. One more. Oops, that's too many, but we'll take them. Let's take a couple more from here. Oh, okay. I love the energy. Okay. Let's take a couple more from here as well. Okay. Let's take one more from another deck. Just mix it up a bit. Okay. Okay, so Aquarius, the first card says, I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. Like I said, somebody could be juggling, somebody could be doing something. It was all about them. It was all about my passions, my dreams, my goals, my projects, what makes me happy. So this person is saying, yes, I acknowledge now that I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked from our relationship. Second card says, my ex and I are just friends. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with my heart, mind, body, and soul. I think somebody wants a brand new beginning now after I think something has ended. I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit I don't like your ego. And yes, the King of Wands sometimes can be a bit, yes, as handsome and successful and whatever they are, it's more about their ego and what they have to accomplish, right? So I have somebody saying, yes, I can tell when you are acting from your ego or your higher self. Okay, so next card says here, it drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you. This could be the person who's gotten caught now. I get so frustrated by this intense telepathy, the dreams, the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me have me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. This passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. So I don't think you guys are together. I think somebody's walked away in this connection here now, and it's disrupted this beautiful partnership here. And somebody is feeling rather foolish because they've lost a beautiful love connection here, it seems here, Aquarius. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be with you and home with you. The thought of another one being with you kills me. Darling, you're mine. Yes, now they want this person back. They feel, oh my God, my beautiful home or that stability or that feeling of home is now gone because I was too busy pursuing my own goals here, trying to be a magician and juggling my partner, never giving them attention. But now I've realized that I want to have this new beginning once again and rectify all these unwise or foolish mistakes that I've made. I want to go back home now. Last card says, life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Is it too late, but Aquarius? Because the tower seems to be falling and nobody's really going towards anyone with any kind of love offer or apology or anything like that either, because I guess when the time was right, nobody really invested, or at least one person didn't invest wisely into this connection. Let's take some clarifiers. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, like I said, nobody invested, right? Nobody put in the investment, and they were juggling or doing everything else that they wanted to except give attention to their partner. King of Wands. Even if this person did give to the connection, was very small and very little. Not the amount that was required to sustain a beautiful connection. The Magician. Now, all this, you know, magician energy or whatever, they were actually trying to do things which made them happy. They were trying to do everything that gave them happiness, and this pursuit of being the magician and trying to do things whatever they wanted to do, actually it's kind of backfired on them now. It's totally backfired because the one thing that they already had was that big cup of love in their life is now in the reverse. They were too busy, I think, pursuing their own goals. So, Ace of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Cups in reverse. Now, somebody is holding back and not allowing this fresh new beginning to come back. Maybe their partner's given up on them and saying, all right, now if you're too busy, and so what if you want this fresh new start? I don't want it anymore. I'm holding back because I don't love you anymore now, because all this while I was waiting, you gave me nothing. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. And that's the reason of this tower falling. Now this person knows, yes, now they're feeling very ungrounded. All the money in the world that they've accumulated, all these pentacles and whatever, is absolutely of no use now, because now they are also realizing they caused this tower to fall. They are the cause of this tower falling, and this is making them feel very insecure, very ungrounded. Maybe they were money pinching, or they were, only about money, or whatever. So now they're realizing that what's the point? I mean, I've lost the best thing in my life now, and I know I'm the cause of it. Hermit in reverse, Spirit. They know this. They've created the silence between their partner and them. They know they are the cause now of this beautiful Ten of Pentacles being in reverse. I have it twice here, Aquarius. They know what they've done. Now they want to come forward and they want to have communication. And they're also realizing that maybe they never really let their emotions show. Maybe they were very hard and cold in this relationship. They were so busy pursuing their own dreams that they never really paid attention. Now this person is getting restless. They want to have communication, they want to return, but it's too late, I think, now, Aquarius, because I think somebody, Aquarius, this could be you. Somebody's already walked away from this connection now. Eight of Cups, Spirit. Eight of Cups. Not only have they walked away, they've also been very clear about the fact that I don't feel victorious with you anymore. In fact, I have always felt like a loser in this connection. I'm not interested in having anything going forward with you. They've been very clear in their communication and have, I think, walked away. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they've called judgment on this masculine now and said, let karma deal with it. I'm not going to stay a fool for the rest of my life, waiting around for somebody who's never going to give to the connection. And somebody here has walked away and brought an end to this Ten of Pentacles, happily ever after, feeling no longer wanting to put in any more work in this connection. Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Yes, I have a feminine energy who's pulled back her love now, and not only has she pulled back her love, but she also feels, she says, I feel very ungrounded in this connection. I won't be surprised if this could become a legal battle here, Aquarius. Just be a little mindful. I hope this is not a reading for too many of you out there. Spirit, anything else for my Aqua gang? I have the Ace of Swords and the Ace of Wands in reverse, and the Ace of Cups. All three aces and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse here, Aquarius. I don't even know whether I want to post this reading now. Because this definitely can't be everybody's story here. I'm so sorry if you're going through something like this, Aquarius. Yes, the entire disruption in this beautiful connection has happened because of emotional unhappiness. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.